Alright, today we're gonna do another potato harvest video. My nephew and my niece have been asking me that they want to do it again because they liked it so much the first time. So I said, if they want to do it, they have to do everything themselves because I told them how to do it the last time and I want to see if they remember. So what's the first thing you do?
Take the hay out.
Good. Go on, take the hay out.
Fast.
Oh, all right.
Okay. Get the big hays. What big hays? Where? Show me where.
Is that all of it?
Almost.
Okay.
That's a wet one.
So what do you do after that?
You snap these.
There's shares behind you on the table. No, you can't use the scissors. Don't use the scissors.
Why don't we use the scissors?
Because scissors won't cut it right. It'll be harder. You can try scissors, but it won't cut it very well as well as the shares would. It's alright, that's fine too. Just put it aside.
The scissors.
See, I told you.
No, I learned my lesson. I think this one's
That one
dead.
is really dried. You need to put it in a bit. Yeah, like that.
Good job.
You just pull it out. That'll do. Oh, that looks good. I think we're gonna have more potatoes than the last bag. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Why do you think so?
Because it's dry.
Okay, let's see. Can you guys turn that around? Oh. Make sure everything's in the wheelbarrow, okay? It's in the wheelbarrow. Anthony, help her. All right. Bring that back. Bring the bag. Why don't we put the potatoes in the bag just now? Then when we're done, we'll bring it out and show the good people watching us what we got today. Yeah, let's go on. No, those wouldn't hurt you. Oh, they're small though. Anthony, you don't need to drop them. You place them in the bag. These are new potatoes. They're first early potatoes, but they're really small. Well, let's hopefully we get a lot of them. And there's potatoes everywhere.
Potato.
Well, you guys are in charge today.
Let's go play a game.
Guys, go ahead. There are lots of potatoes in there.
There's too many bugs. Too many bugs, but too many
The
potatoes.
bugs don't bite.
So much potatoes, you have so much
You need to
bugs.
dig your hand in there.
Oh, come here, potato. Hey! Sorry.
No dragging. There are lots of potatoes to go around, like the other day.
Yes, sir. Oh, found one. Okay. This. Give me your potatoes, dog. Give me. Hey! Anthony, you literally stole one. Sure enough. Oh, there's a little one.
There are a lot more potatoes in there. You guys need to get in.
You got it.
Oh.
I'm burying my hands.
Where are the rest of the potatoes?
Come here. Go away, baby. Oh, dang, jackpot.
Those are big ones.
There are cracks in them, though, but it's okay. Oh, my gosh.
It's a big one, isn't it?
Yeah. You're supposed to get the little one. Oh, wait. I was going to say I
There's
just
still
saw
lots
one.
of potatoes in there. Oh, I just saw one just now.
Wait.
No, Anthony, push the dirt back. No, the other way. Push it that way. I saw some just now. Yeah, where your hand is, push it back.
Oh.
Push it back. That's not potato. You have to go down a bit. See?
Yes. Potatoes.
Lots of potatoes in there.
Oh, you got the little ones. Ugh. Here are potatoes. Here. I think that's a seed. Oh.
That's a seed potato.
Oh.
Put that to the side. Oh, I just saw one just now. Back. No, the other way. Yeah, you see it? Just there.
Found one. Oh, it's a big one.
That's a big one.
Man, that's a delicious one right there. Mm-hmm.
You guys think you have all of it?
No. So we would just put sand in my shoes.
So get all of it out. Try not to put any sand on the floor, please, guys.
So. Going this way, Roger.
We're gonna plant. We're gonna use this compost to plant the Tora or cocoyam.
Cocoyam.
Taro. Yes, taro, not Tora. Taro. You guys think that's all of it?
No. I'm keeping on digging.
That's not bad, but there might still be more in there.
No.
You guys just need to look for it.
Come on. Wait. No. Gosh, just look. It's not even that far down. It was probably just a seed. Roots. Should we just take out the roots just in case? If you want.
I'll take out the roots. We're gonna compost them. It's not useful. Done. No, don't worry. Keep looking for potatoes. You guys think you have all, right?
No. I think I have. No. There was a lot more last time. But they weren't that big, though. Really? Yeah, they were big enough, but not that big. Not these ones big.
You guys think you have all of it?
I thought the sunlight was a potato.
All right.
Come on.
I'm gonna check now, just to make sure there's none in there. For everyone I see, you guys are gonna pay me £1.
I have £1.
Just one?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that pound was euro.
They don't take euros over here. Only £1.
See, we didn't miss it this time.
What's that?
We didn't miss it this time.
Don't be too sure.
Wait, I think I just saw one. Might be a seed though. I don't know though.
No, you guys might be right. But we'll see.
I think I saw a piece of paper. That's not a piece of paper. Tomato, tomato, let's go play a game. Yeah, I think we might have gotten all of them. Last time we really didn't get in there.
Wow, you guys did better today.
Way better.
I think you guys got all of it. Okay, let's put it on top so we see what you guys got. Actually, I thought it'd be more, but
It's not bad.
it's not bad. That'll do for dinner today, right?
Yeah.
Nothing tastes as good as new potatoes. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, whatever you have planned today, I hope it goes well. Have a lovely day, people. God bless.